So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. And now we're going to expand software. And now we're going to expand Microsoft. And now we're going to expand Windows NT. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows NT. Here it is. You want to expand this. And now you want to expand current version. Now we're going to click on WinLogon. We're going to scroll down till we find WinLogon. You want to click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you could follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the WinLogon folder. And now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down till we find user init. Double click on it. Now once we're in here, make sure that value name is user init. And now under value data, make sure that it says this exactly like how it was on my screen. C:\Windows /system32 /user init.exe . If anything here is different, then just delete it and then type it how it is like on my screen. So once you've made sure that it says this, we're going to click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And this should now fix your problem.